Hey, I'm Derek with Liminal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and use battle cards, your go-to tool when a deal turns competitive. You've got a few minutes before your next call. Let's get you ready with confidence. There are several places within the GTM platform where you can access battle cards. Let's go to the first one by finding battle cards in the menu. Under your game plans, you can see the competitors. I'll select one and open a Secure battle card. When I open the card, I get a head-to-head comparison with my company on one side and the competitor on the other side, with key talking points that I can scan fast. Keys to win that my sales manager has specified of talking points where I win, areas to focus on, and areas to watch out. In the game plan setup, sales management can set tactical notes for head-to-head comparison with custom text editing. I get head-to-head on key purchase criteria to see where I'm losing and where I'm ahead. Use case coverage with capability drill downs show me where I'm strong and where I have weaknesses. The landscape shows coverage of solution segments. I can compare geographies and other products from this company. Using this icon, I can quickly switch to other competitors for which I have battle cards, or use the list view to see all competitors side by side. Battle cards are also accessible within a game plan under competitors. Quickly access the battle card, or request a new battle card for a competitor that just popped up. Sometimes in the course of a sales meeting, a prospect may bring up a competitor that they're also considering. With a click, I can get a head-to-head comparison and keep the meeting on track. Sometimes they bring up a competitor for which I don't have a battle card. I can search among thousands of products in the Liminal database to get a in-the-moment head-to-head comparison. That's battle cards. Find a competitor, lead with why you win, handle the objections, and get back to closing the deal. A 30-second scan before a call is often the difference. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.